Hi, my name is Lori with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make an entire Thanksgiving meal. For our whipped sweet potato recipe, first we need to start off by baking our sweet potatoes. So I've already washed and dried my sweet potatoes, and I'm just going to place them in aluminum foil and simply wrap them up. And with my knife, I'm just going to pierce it a few times. Let it vent out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set them in the oven at 350 degrees and I'm going to let them cook until they're easy to pierce with the fork. That's going to take about 45 minutes to an hour. And that is how you bake sweet potatoes.